YouTube TV versus Xfinity TV. Today we are going to demonstrate the difference between YouTube TV and Xfinity TV. Which one is better for you? So we have this table demonstrating the difference between these two. So the first thing is pricing. Xfinity offers various plans with different prices at points, while YouTube TV offers one plan with a fixed monthly price. If you talk about channel lineup, Xfinity provide 125 to 185 plus channels, including local and premium channels. If you talk about YouTube, YouTube TV offers 85 channels featuring popular networks but fewer than Xfinity TV. If you talk about the DVR comparison, the Xfinity offers DVR options with, additional fee for storage and extra features, but YouTube TV provides unlimited DVR storage including in the subscription price. If you talk about the compatible devices, Xfinity compatible with the most devices for streaming, including mobile and smart TVs, while YouTube TV compatible with a wide range of for the streaming live TV. It also includes the gaming consoles as well. If you talk about the final thoughts, Xfinity provide more channel but may come with additional fee and complex packages, while YouTube TV offers a simpler price structure and unlimited DVR storage but fewer channels. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.